Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide likes on Instagram. So if you want to hide it, your like count, it's very easy. All you have to do now is open your profile and go to the settings. You can tap on your activity. Here the likes, you can tap it. So you can hide your likes on someone post, but you can completely remove the post that you love or like. For example, this one, you can unlike the post. But if you want to hide your post, hide like count, you can go to your profile, tap three dots on one of your posts, and here we go. You can hide like count, tap it. So only you that can see how or total number of likes on your post. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.